This looks like the route to Scotland's second most popular motorsport venue.
Kind of. We're not going to go as far as that though.
Okay.
We're going to go and visit Kinsey and Willie, who were the original guys that let us do Jumanji.
Good guys.
Which is what eventually led on to Driftland. And they have got a new venture where they allow you to go and rip around in some of the 600cc Polaris sort of open wheel buggy things. I'm not sure what the proper name is, but yeah, they've got a new venture. So
they're like rage buggies, but they're in Scotland, so they're called Raj buggies.
Raj buggies. So yeah, we're going to go pay them a visit. They've only just opened a couple of weekends ago, and we thought we'd go and have a wee shot and see if it's any good.
Excellent. Here we go up towards racetracks that don't like drifting.
No Portugal.
This looks legit.
Right, we need 20 tons of planings.
There we go. Yep, I think there's parking available here. What's the disabled facilities like?
Yeah, disabled facilities are spot on.
So we're just before Knockhill. Got ourselves parked. I see buggies up there. Let's go check it out.
Okay.
Motorsport can be dangerous.
How we doing, buddy? Alright?
Right, aye, just passing it. I saw you sitting, I thought maybe have a wee.
Make contact with other buggies. Your session will end immediately. Stuart, contact with other buggies is an absolute no-no.
I can't read.
Or drive. Or drive.
Put you at RDC.
What could go wrong? Whoa, did I hear an RDC challenge there?
I think it was an RDC challenge.
Stu versus Jeek.
Sounds like
Stu,
Stu might have just thrown the gauntlet down.
I think it's a gauntlet, is that it down there?
Sounds like it.
Don't know, I better speak to Kev first.
I'm going to get my car finished.
No, that's what I said.
Should be good fun. Just going to get the other cameras hooked up and then we're going to go try not roll. Apparently it's really easy to roll. I'm talking to myself, it's fine. You get used to it after a while.
Stu?
Some laugh.
Like a man possessed. You look like American Horror Story. How was that, Rennie?
That was really enjoyable. If it's dry, it's great fun. I imagine if it's wet, it'd be a million times better.
I think we would have all been on our sides.
I think we all did a good job of not crashing and dying.
Quite survived a couple of two-wheel incidents.
I think they handle really well.
Yeah.
I think they're really good at vehicles. They're great fun. Oh, cheers, mate. There he goes. There. I've got my money's worth out of the soil.
Stop moving your face, I need a good clean shot.
I can't look at anything.
Look straight up. That should advert right there.
Oh, it's great fun.
It was good fun.
Really good fun.
I feel like I need a bath.
It's a brilliant track as well. It's got slow bits, fast bits, and then try to get up the hill there. If you get it wrong going up the hill, or if you go out with someone's ruts, you're game over.
Yeah, you pretty much need to stay in the ruts on a lot of the slower corners.
Imagine in the wet, you can get close to people and try to sneak up. And, good fun.
Stranger
Give it a try. Give it a try. Wear protective clothing.
Why didn't you have your visor down, you fucking idiot? Did you see his face as a guy?
That'd have been great.
You're meant to be the intelligent one out of all of us.
I thought the old Driftland shades would do the job
They've
for
done
me.
a good job, to be fair. You do look like a bit like Amjad.
Amazing.